Hello again everyone, it's me Johnny. I want to thank you for checking out my channel, and today I want to talk to you about what I eat for breakfast. This is a question I get all the time. I get in emails, people ask me, what I eat for breakfast. For breakfast, my breakfast really hasn't changed from the time of my diagnosis till now. About 90% of the time it's oatmeal, 95% of the time it's oatmeal. For me, I can't or couldn't juice on an empty stomach. Some people can, some people can't. For me, I need my stomach filled and then start juicing. That's what works for me. You have to find out what works for you. If you get a diagnosis, I believe one of the best diets, or the best diet that's out there, is probably a anti-inflammatory diet, and that consists of tons of juicing, tons of raw foods that'll help fight inflammation, especially if you get a cancer diagnosis. But this is one of the meals that I eat. Things haven't changed, and I'm going to give it to you real quick. Hopefully I can do it with the camera. So what I have here is regular oatmeal. I use Bob's Red Mill oatmeal, and they do have gluten-free version of this. You can get it at the health food store. I put a little bit of cinnamon, chia seeds, hemp seeds. I like walnuts in mine, and I love raisins. So let me see if I can do this all with one hand, show you. And I let my use about a cup of oatmeal every morning. This is how my day gets started. It's been like this through the whole process, and every once in a while I'll change it up, but I just want to share this with you. So I just take my oats. I put cinnamon on the bottom because I like to mix it up, and it's just simple. I put this, mix it up. I like cinnamon in the middle, put the rest on top. As you can see, I just like to mix it up. I'll mix this thing up to get that cinnamon in there, and you just add whatever you want to add to it. The hardest thing to do is when you get a cancer diagnosis or something like that is people don't know what to eat, and you don't have to starve. The thing is, you have to learn to make healthy choices and learn how to cook different meals. You just can't eat the way you did before, and it's just not eating that's going to help you, along with the juicing. But one of the things that stay consistent with me is the oatmeal, and I'll put like a tablespoon of chia seeds in there, somewhere around there, hemp seeds in there, walnuts, dress it up how you want to in there. All this is, people are going to say this is more on the acidic side, and people get into the sugar. You don't have to starve. You have to make healthier choices on what you eat. And if you're going to go on an alkaline diet, or you're going to go on an anti-inflammatory diet, because this is more acidic food. But you know what? I got tired of starving. When I first got diagnosed, didn't know about nutrition. You had to learn, something I had to learn. And one thing that I add is flax seeds, ground up flax seeds. And once again, I use Bob's Red Mill flax seeds, ground up in the coffee grinder. Just add this to the top. Mix it up. Breakfast is served. This is day in and day out. Buen provecho. Yeah. So nice and hot. Good. Most people do, when they get a cancer diagnosis, they starve. Make healthier choices. Cut out all refined foods, and you want to eat, if you can eat raw, great, because most of my diet is a raw diet. Besides my breakfast, most of it is all raw. You don't even have to cook the oats. You can let these sit overnight, and just let them sit, mix it up the same way I did, You want to add more fruits, you want to add more berries, add more berries. It's on you. But this is what breakfast looks like. One of them, I'm going to make another one for you. This is real good. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.